Respect isn't something you demand, it's something you command. And every day you're either earning it or throwing it away with the smallest behaviors. Not the big mistakes, not the major failures, but the tiny daily habits that people notice but never mention. They just lose trust, lose interest, and pull back, slowly, quietly. Today, we're going to break down 7 annoying behaviors that destroy your credibility and strip away respect. And we're going to fix them with Stoic wisdom and hard psychological truth. 1. Over-explaining everything. You make a decision, and then you spend 10 minutes justifying it, explaining why, defending every angle, hoping they'll agree. That's not strength, that's fear in disguise. Stoics believed in clarity. Say only what is necessary, nothing more. When you explain too much, it shows you're not sure of yourself. And if you're not sure, why should anyone else be? The solution isn't silence, it's confidence. Say what you mean, clearly, then stop. No need to wrap your truth in soft words or beg for approval. Your actions and values should speak for themselves. You want people to respect you? Cut the fluff, get to the point. Say it once, then let the silence carry the weight. Respect grows when you stop seeking permission to exist. Speak less, mean more. 2. Apologizing. When you haven't done anything wrong, you bump into someone and say, sorry. You share your opinion and follow it with, but that's just me. You're constantly shrinking yourself to keep others comfortable. That's not humility, it's self-erasure. And Stoic virtue is built on dignity, not guilt. The constant apologies make people question your authority, your beliefs, and your confidence. They don't see kindness. They see someone unsure of their own worth. Stop saying sorry for existing. Save your apologies for real mistakes. When you take up space with quiet confidence, people listen. They mirror your self-respect. Next time you're tempted to apologize just to smooth things over, don't. Let the silence hold. Own your words. Own your presence. Because respect begins the moment you stop trying to be liked and start being grounded in who you are. 3. Trying to fix everyone's problems. You hear someone vent and you jump in with advice. You see someone struggling and you try to save them. You think you're helping, but often you're just feeding your own need to feel useful. This behavior comes from ego, not empathy. The Stoics taught us to master ourselves, not control others. You are not the world's repairman. When you constantly solve everyone's problems, you rob them of growth. You position yourself above them, and over time, they'll resent you for it. Respect comes from restraint, from being able to listen without reacting, from trusting others to walk their own path, even if it's messy. You want to gain respect fast? Stop rescuing people. Be present, be wise, but don't interfere unless you're asked. That's power. That's maturity. 4. Needing to be right all the time. You're in a conversation and someone disagrees with you. Your chest tightens. You dig in. You raise your voice, twist the facts, anything to win. But you don't win. You just lose respect. Stoic strength isn't about always being right. It's about being in control of your emotions, your pride, your need to dominate. The person who always needs to win an argument is ruled by fear. Fear of being seen as wrong, fear of losing status. But the person who can say, you might be right, is untouchable. Let go of the ego. Let others be wrong without needing to correct them. Let conversations flow without turning them into battles. People remember the calm in the storm. They respect the man who doesn't flinch when challenged, because that's not weakness, that's real control. 5. Making everything about you. Someone tells a story and you interrupt with one of your own. Someone shares pain and you match it with your struggle. You think you're connecting, but you're stealing the spotlight. This isn't conversation, it's competition, and it's exhausting to be around. Stoic philosophy teaches presence, listening without distraction, without ego. When you constantly redirect the conversation to yourself, you show that you're not interested, you're insecure. You don't need to prove your worth through stories or comparisons. Just being still, silent, and locked in on someone else makes you magnetic. People feel seen, and when people feel seen, they respect you. Let others talk. Let them shine. Don't fill every silence with your own voice. If you want to earn respect, stop trying to be interesting and start being genuinely interested. 6. Complaining about everything. You think venting relieves pressure. You think sharing your frustration makes you relatable, but every complaint chips away at your strength and your reputation. The Stoics didn't pretend life was perfect, but they knew one thing. Complaining never fixed anything. It just reinforces powerlessness. When you whine about traffic, money, politics, or your boss, you're training your mind to focus on what you can't control. And people hear it. They hear the weakness, the victimhood, the negativity, want instant respect. Speak like someone who owns their situation. Talk about solutions, not setbacks. Talk about lessons, not losses. When life hits you, speak with poise. Let others rant. You stay composed. Because in a world addicted to outrage, the man who stays calm becomes a lighthouse, unshaken, unmoved, respected. 7. Seeking constant validation. You finish a task and look around for praise. You post something and keep checking for likes. You drop hints, fishing for compliments. You might not say it out loud, but people can feel it. The neediness, the emptiness. Stoicism teaches us that approval from others is fleeting and irrelevant. The only judgment that matters is the one from within, your conscience, your values, your discipline. When you chase validation, you give away your power. You tell the world, I don't know if I'm enough. Please confirm it for me. But when you operate with self-respect, when you live by a code quietly, consistently, people notice, not because you beg for it, because you embody it. Stop trying to be seen, start being solid, and you'll find that the respect you once chased now follows you without effort. Respect doesn't come from status, money, or loud words. It comes from discipline, self-mastery, from the small decisions you make when no one's watching. You don't need to change your personality. You don't need to pretend to be someone else. You just need to eliminate the behaviors that make people pull away, slowly, silently. Cut the over-explaining. Hold back the unnecessary apologies. Stop playing savior. Drop the ego. Listen more than you speak. Stay grounded. Stay calm. And above all, validate yourself, not through noise, but through action. That's how Stoic men earned respect. Quiet power, steady presence, unshakable values. If you're serious about becoming the strongest version of yourself, subscribe to this channel. We drop content every week that cuts through the noise and helps you take back control of your life. And check the description. We've linked the best tools and resources for your personal growth journey. It starts now. Earn it.